Hey guys, welcome back to another Moondog trading video. Tonight's video, we're going to be talking about Bitcoin, Ethereum, Matic, Cardano, Solana, Shiba, Avalanche, and Doge in that order. First, we're going to start here always on the Bitcoin chart because Bitcoin runs the market. We start off on the daily like always. Each candle represents a day. This is my Coinbase chart. I know some of this looks ugly to you guys, but when you guys look at it the simple way of looking at things, you see my red box here. You see my red box here. We're basically right now just trading in this range. Right now we're at the bottom of that range. Let me take off this. And we're just trading up in this range right here. Boom. So that's the range we're trading right now. You can see our point of control is coming in right around this 39,600 area. And you know what? It wasn't actually, let me get rid of this fib because that wasn't the fib that I liked. I actually did a chart over here, which this was our monthly, okay? And I did a daily fib. Last time I did a video, guys, was on Friday. Yeah, it was on Friday, I believe. Or was it Saturday? Maybe it was Saturday. Um, we were talking about the monthly close. Well, we got that close, okay? Then we popped back above it. Not a big deal, right? Well, on the daily, I had the fib perfectly right here. I think we were like $50 off of that. Let's see. It came in at 39. What is it? Let's get it right on. Let's lock it right on. So we have an idea exactly where it came in at. Let's make it a different color so we can actually see it. All right. So we came in at 39,181, and I had 39,260 for that high. So we were very close on that fib, but we also had this concern area of 39,118. So anywhere in that range, we were looking for some kind of pullback there. Also, I drew up this trend here. You can see the trend, and we're actually holding trend. We got rejection at our point, but we flipped, and we talked about what happens when we flip. The purple flipped, the 20 flipped. You can see what happens when it flipped here, boom, to the downside, flipped here, boom, to the downside, flipped here, boom, to the downside. So do I believe there's more room for the downside? Technically, yes, I do. Now, could there be another pop? Can we get a little run up to maybe 39 to 40,000? That's possible. 40,500 area. That is possible, guys. And then a rejection from there. But for me to really get bullish again, we'd have to go back to the monthly candle, right? Because we always talk about confirmation. Well, what is confirmation? Well, it's a candle. Once you get this candle closing underneath our level, our very, very important level here, this 20 moving average, right? Okay, we got our close under here. We look for more downside. Now, we back tested this, right, guys? I don't know if I just moved something, but if I did, just who cares, right? We'll fix it later. Let's see. What are we on? Are we on Coinbase? No, I don't want Coinbase. We want something with more history. Okay, Bitstamp. All right, so we talked about this when this happens, dating all the way back to Bitcoin history. Okay, anytime we flip this on the monthly, we always test the 50-day moving average or go below it. So here we did it, and then a boom, big pop to the upside. Here we did it again. We broke down, boom, pop to the upside. Here and again in March of the sick dump, boom, did it again. And now we've got another close underneath there. Now, what we want to see, guys, is this next candle for confirmation for more downside. To get that confirmation would be to see this next monthly candle closing underneath this moving average. If it doesn't, then yeah, we could trade sideways for a little bit longer or go down. We'll have to play that by ear when we see it. But in the history of Bitcoin, now we're talking 100% of the time on the monthly. This is not like an 80% or a 60% thing. We're talking 100% of the time it's gone down and tested this 50. Could this be the one time it's different? Yeah, I mean, it's a different time. It's Bitcoin. It's different everywhere, right? The only thing that would change my mind really would be a monthly candle closing. You know what? I would say, I mean, really above 48, of course. But if we even closed a monthly candle above 45,600, I would start to look back for more upside, guys, to be honest with you. And that's being a little bit aggressive. If you want to be conservative, right there. We get any kind of monthly candle closing above 48, we're testing at least 59 to 60,000. Actually, yeah, there's no doubt in my mind that would happen if we can get a monthly candle closing above that area. If we don't and we start to break down, then yeah, I would look for this more downside. Now, I want to show you another chart, guys. This is an oldie but a goodie. I did this chart a long time ago. Okay. Now, this is called bulls versus bears. Okay. That's what this indicator is called. No, that's not it. Those are some indicators. Where is? Yeah, here it goes. Bitcoin bulls and bears. I apologize. That's what this indicator is. So if you guys want to check this out, that's something you can check out. And this one, I believe, is the long curve, Bitcoin long curve. Okay, and then we got this right here, which is this just the EMAs? Oh no, this is the bull market support band. Okay, so those are the indicators that we're looking at right now, guys. And you can see when this bull market support band flips. Okay, when it flips here, like let's give a good example here. We'll back test this for a second. When this flips to the orange from green orange, it's hard to see because these colors. Downside, same thing, downside. Ready? Downside. Right here, downside. Okay. Also, this is also, you can see on the support bands right here, guys. Look what happens every time we flip, we hit in this white area. Okay. So anywhere from, we are at the low end of this band right now, guys. But we're technically in a bear market. Look, it's called the tops, the bottom. Look at that happen, guys. When this turns green, boom, we get all-time highs. This turned green and flip, boom, all-time highs. So I kind of like this indicator to show, and we back test. This is on Bitstamp. Look, it goes all the way back, guys. Look at this. The 2015 bull cycle. The bear cycle right here, 2014. Look at this. Flipped, bear, boom. Got to our white zone all the way back. Does it every time. White zone, white zone. All right, look. Well, nope, sorry. I'm all over the place here. I'm trying to get this right. Let's see here. I know there's an easier way to do this, guys, but I do it the old school way. Yeah, boom here, boom here. So every time we've gone red, we've gotten to this white area. Now, well, right here, we just got to the bottom. So I'm kind of waiting for that area to flip green to get us in a bull cycle. Well, here, so maybe look, one time? Let's see. So far it was, let's back test this. See, 2012. No, so here we did it. So one time we didn't do it here. We did do it here. We flipped red. Let's go. Again in 2019. What is going on here? 2019. Yeah, we did it again here. We did it again here in the sick time, right? And we didn't do it here, though. We didn't do it here. So maybe let's see if we test this area. This is something we keep an eye on, or even bounce off this low end of this curve, coming in right around 32, 33,000, which was a point that we were looking at, guys. We were looking at that point. But look, if we come down to here to 24, 25 area, that would put us in this area. Look at this. That would put us right around this area, right around here. So it would drop us in here for a minute and bring us back up. So it's something to keep our eye on. Let's see if we can get this bull market support band flipped. These are just RSI indicators, not the special guys. But yeah, this is what I'm looking at, guys. This is what I'm back testing, because we're looking for bigger moves, right? And you could see the market really, really struggled today We're going to get rid of this box so we kind of get an idea. This is a tug of war candle. If you notice today, we had the dip, the up and down. The market was, even the traditional market guys, was just back and forth, back and forth. So now you see this candle. We're probably going to close in about an hour, 8 o'clock p.m. Eastern Standard Time. We're going to close, and this is going to look like a tug of war candle. Bulls are fighting, bears are fighting. No one knows what to do right here. Everybody's confused. So right now, do we have a move? Let's look at the daily. Let's look at some of these indicators on the daily. Okay, that's okay. All right, so we got some hidden bullish divergence there. Hasn't been confirmed yet. RSI is kind of just going sideways. I'm sorry, stochastic is going sideways. This is a little indicator that I've been using. This is kind of coming down, so this is bullish. If it crosses, if this green actually crosses, see, this is when look, we'll back test this. This is something I just started doing here. What indicator is this? This is a new one. ADX. I think I showed you guys this. This is a new one I'm doing. I can't get it right on, but oh wait. No, it doesn't have the lock. I wonder why it won't let me. So you can see when the red crossed up the green, that should put a downtrend on us, right? Well, let's look. Look at that. Red crossed the green. Boom, downtrend. Okay, it should be one notch over when it crossed. So that would be the top. So that's a great indicator, okay? Well, actually, no, it was a little bit before that. So it was the next candle over. All right, so we'll play it conservative. But now look what happens when the green cross, guys. Boom. Oh, didn't get it. Didn't lock it. We'll just play it conservative and go over, right? Well, look, boom, to the upside. So let's see how this plays out. Nothing's confirmed yet, but we are getting a little bit of movement. I want to see a cross first. So if you guys want to check that indicator out, you're more than welcome to do that. Bitcoin runs the market. So let's just keep an eye on some of these indicators. We are kind of like doing nothing here. We're kind of doing nothing on these indicators, guys, and it's a tug of war candle. So do we have a move here on the daily? No, we don't. To be honest with you, we don't. Let's see, maybe on a short-term time frame, but I don't like telling you guys short-term time frames because if you watch my video 2 hours from now, this whole thing could be changed. So we'll keep it as it is. Trade this range. We're in the middle of the range, kind of. So there's not really much here to do. Okay, we're gonna move on to Ethereum. Ethereum's looking a little bit stronger. Okay, Ethereum's looking stronger. And guys, look, I hit my fib perfect. It's incredible. I actually didn't have this in my video. I did this yesterday when we had this bottom. That's how I got the fib, and I will show you guys how I did it. Top here, bottom here. No, that wasn't it. It must have been like this. Is this top? This top to this bottom, and that's how I got the fib. Okay, because this was our last high. This wasn't our last high. This was our last high. So I got this fib right here, and we currently hit that fib perfect. And let's see if we can break past that, get some kind of higher term time frame closing above that. Then maybe we can move into to my other box area. And you can see right now we're kind of we hit my other downside fib too. We haven't hit the point of control yet down here. So that's interesting. 26.16 to 25.50. If we do move to the downside, that'd be something I'd be looking for. We kind of hit my fib here. Did they front run us? They front run us about $10 on that one. So we can get rid of this one. So they front run us $10. This was my main fib that we talked about in previous videos. So let's see if that area holds up. If it doesn't, let's look at this point of control around that 26.16 area or even that 25.50 to the upside. Let's get above 29 on a higher term time frame, maybe actually 29.50, and then move our way up to that 29.80 area. Okay, Matic, look at this, guys. We did a video a couple days ago. Look, boom, hit our target perfect to the downside. Does it get any better than this? I mean, look at this. Boom, hit our target. So let's see if that dollar 0.2 area holds. And let's see if we can get back above this 125 area. If we can do that, then maybe we could push up past this 133. That's a big area for me, 133 to 135 area. That's what I'd be looking at to turn bullish. Let's see. Cardano, same thing, guys. We are just crushing these charts. We actually just hit the bottom. We broke past my zone here, okay? But then you see my other lines here. We talked about that. If this fails, this area fails, then we look for my next level down, which we had 74, and when we get down to 73.6. So we were about, what, maybe a half a point off there. But we did get the next bounce on confirmation on it. So I would like to see that area hold. I want to see that area. No kind of daily higher term time frames or anything like that. Closing under, let's just say 74 cents. If we do, then yeah, we could see this 68 level. To the upside, let's get something. I want to see us get back above 86. 86 and a half, 87 area. If we can do that, then yeah, we can push back up to this 93 to 95 area. 91 to 93 area, and then maybe this 95, or even test this 97, which is the 50-day moving average. Okay, Solana, guys, what'd they do here? They front run us $1. Oh, not even 75 cents, because we had basically 81 as our target, and they got us to what day? Let's get exact on here. And they got us to we were $1 off that move. They front run us $1. Guys, sometimes when everybody's looking at the same targets, on the way down to this, they'll start buying it right here and cause it to pop back up. So let's see if that area holds. The 81 to 75. If that doesn't hold, you can see where we bought it last time back here. That was a great move. We called this purple box. Boom. And we called this move right here. Look at that. Purple, boom, to the top. That was awesome. You guys remember that. Actually, guys, I talked about buying this when it was back here on my channel, when it was like in the $20 range. So, that was a long time ago. Some of you guys don't know, we were buying SHIB and everything else for really cheap. We crushed it, 1,000% gains. It was just awesome. But like I said, this is a new channel, so make sure you sub, hit the bell, hit the all. I'll keep you updated when we need to, especially in these important times. Now, for Solana, we want to see something above 95, because we talked about that being a big area, and we actually got rejected there. So let's see some kind of higher term time frame close above 95, and then maybe we could work our way back above 106 and test this 12 to the downside. Well, we just talked about those downside targets. How much time do I got left? Okay, I got some time left. Let's talk about SHIB Army, SHIB Nation. Well, we did not have this. I did not expect this, guys. I did not expect to move down to 18. But if we come back here and we lock on, you can kind of see, I think it was 1860 back here, if I'm not right. Oh, yeah, I was right. Look at that, 1860, which I should have had that on my levels, guys. That is on me. But look where we bounced. Look, we have 2017. We bounced 2015. Look at that. Boom. Okay, so let's see if that area holds up. If it doesn't, let's see if this 1978 holds up. If 1978 fails, then yeah, we could be looking at this 18 area again in this 1708. And if it gets really ugly, really ugly, we could see this 1346, which to me, I would definitely be. I mean, I bought this dip, guys, and I traded this actually. This was my trade. I was on the phone with my brother when this happened, and I said, "Hey, this is an opportunity." And I believe it was a 20% move we made on it. Yeah, we made about 20% on that. That was an awesome one for me. And guys, I'm not a financial advisor. Everything I say is just my opinion, education purpose only. We're gonna move on to Avalanche, guys. Avalanche, look at this. We hit our target 56. Boom! What was the low? 56. Bang! All right, so we hit our low on 56. Let's see if 56 holds up. If not, we could see 48. Let's get back above 68 to look bullish again on a higher term time frame, and then maybe we could test 75. Doge lovers, let's just keep this trend right here. Trend is our friend. Let's stay above 12. Let's get above this 50-day moving average, coming in right around 1367 on a higher term time frame, and then maybe we could test this 15 or 14 to 15 area. I think that's it for tonight's video, guys. Much love to all you guys.